You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting at $36,900 at this area, and we are going to see markets go right down in the next few days. But the question is, are we going to see the market break this strong support to the downside? And also, I'm going to take a look at the Bitcoin dominance and look at what we should be expecting as the BTC dominance chart move right up in relation to BTC price. So all of this in today's video, so watch the video till the end. If you are new to this channel or you've not subscribed to the channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you receive update like this every single day. Right here on this very chart, we see something very important. We see an impulsive move from here to the downside, and this is a retracement. So this means that the impulse have started again and is going to ride to the downside. But the question is, are we going to see a breakout on this support level? It's a very strong support to the downside, or we're going to see the market come back right here and then go far way up. So on the immediate long term, this is what I am looking out for right now on BTC USDT chart, which control majority of the market pairs. So we could possibly see the market move from here to this very area and then come back right up. Then we could see the market come back here to form a double bottom formation chart pattern before we see the market ride up again. This is the first thing I am looking out for when market is coming back down. The second pattern formation I am looking at is from here, market go down, come back right up, and then we could see a failed swing, which means that the bears are tired of moving the market right down, which also means that the bulls are ready to move the market right up. This is the second pattern formation that I am looking out for on this very chart right now. The third one that you should be expecting also is that market will go right down, just like we see right here, come back up and then create a new low at this point, which is slightly lower than the previous low. But what we want to see here is that the move, as the market is moving right down, should not be equal to this one, and it should not have more strength like this last impulse have at this area. If we see something like this, then this also confirms that the bears are tired and the bulls are already in the market if we see this move to the upside. So this is what you should be looking out for right now on Bitcoin. Now, if you see an aggressive move from this area right down to this area of support and it creates a new lower than the previous low on the 1-day chart, then that means that market could possibly come back down into this area of $29,000. Looking at the Bitcoin dominance chart here, in my last video I said we're going to see the markets go right down a little bit. We see a slight move to the downside, and right now we are seeing the market trying to move up again from this area. But what you should be expecting on the Bitcoin dominance chart right here on the 1-day chart is that if we continue to see the markets explode to the upside, there is a high probability that BTC USDT is going to turn around this area. Even though it creates a new low, we are going to see it move sharply to the upside, because we have seen such pattern like I analyzed in my previous video. After a little push up to the upside on Bitcoin dominance, we always see BTC USDT move along with it. Right here on the 4-hour chart, I do analysis and I said market is going to retrace back down from this area in my previous video. You can watch that video out right now, and we see the markets go up a little bit, give a fake out, and then market is coming down right now. If you follow that analysis, congratulations. And then what should you be expecting in the next coming days so that you can take advantage of the short market move and the volatility in the market right now? Now, if you look at this very area, this is a very strong support level at this area. So we have support here, support at this point. So that means market could potentially come back here and give another support at this point and then go back up. This is a very strong resistance level. Market also could potentially come back to this area and then move up again to this level. Remember, this is a strong resistance level. This is a strong resistance level. That also means that if market move from here to the upside, this level will also be a resistance to the market, even though it's coming from this area as well. So this is what I am looking out for in the immediate short term. I want this market to come back right down into this support area and also this. So at this point, I am looking out for certain candlestick pattern and certain price pattern on the lower time frame to actually take a trade. So the first area you should expect to take a trade is on this support level, and also secondly on this other support level. So this is what I am expecting on the immediate short time on BTC USDT. It will be a good thing that we see the market on BTC USDT for our chart break this very strong resistance level. This will also aid the momentum of buyers to push the market to the upside, and that will give enough confidence in the market for other market participants to come in and start buying BTC. So this is what I am looking out for on BTC USDT in the immediate short term. So what is your thought? Do you think that market is going to break right down on this very impulse coming right into the market to the downside, or even to $29,000? What is your thought? Comment below. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. And also, if you've not registered on Binance, $600 bonus on Bybit, check the description link down below and do your registration. We are starting an intensive crypto trading course this Saturday, so it's going to last for 1 month, and also you have to check the description and you see a contact and join right now. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.